up, guys? So it's a new day today. It's a Saturday, so we have time, we have sunlight, and it's not too cold out, so we're gonna get some stuff done today. Eric's plasma cutter parts finally came in too, so we can actually get some good work done on the Bronco. Get some pieces cut up and weld some new floors in, if we can get fuel. And yeah. What are we doing?
So, basically, my plasma cutter, which is that Miller Spectrum 125C.
We unlocked a new character, by the way. This is Sam.
This is Sam. It's Squad. He has a cool Jeep. It off-roads and is blown up. He was putting MSD fuel injection on it, so we're pretty excited to see about that next. Sam, that's 125C, right? On the front?
Yeah.
Okay, I can't see that far. I'm blind. So, anyways, that plasma cutter here, we'll just show. This plasma cutter here, obviously, made by Miller. Great company. I love their products. Has a built-in compressor, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but that's what me and my cousin could afford at the time. Problem we're having is that it won't arc when you go to cut it. So I pulled the nozzle apart on it, and the element, or the consumable, oh god, was all was burned up. So I spent $80 at Miller. Love their products though. Got a new element, new cup, new ceramic sleeve, and a new nozzle for it. Put it on, and it still ain't working. So I don't really feel like spending time trying to figure out what's wrong with this. I'm gonna have somebody else fix this because I don't really know much about them. They're probably also going to fix my Craftsman stick welder, Colormatic. Just in case I want to build a bridge or a tank or, whatever. Got my stick welder, which a mouse has been living in, so that's kind of...
Two mice, maybe.
I think there's still one out there. So anyways, someone's going to fix this and fix that. One day we'll do a video on stick welding, and I'll show you how to cheat that all up. So, Squog here came in on the fleek, as some kids will say these days, or whatever the hell that means, and brought over that. An Eastwood Versa Cut 60. Great plasma cutter. I just cut some stuff with it. Works pretty sweet. So, first off though, we had a problem because the guy who built this house used some stupid freaking 220 outlets. Like, I don't know what that is. That looks like somebody sleeping to me. And it's like half melted, so that looks like somebody sleeping. So we went from sleeping man to dryer plug, which is not really bolted to the wall because we lost the screws.
It works though.
But it works. So yesterday we had to run out to Home Depot twice. One for my wife's Valentine's Day present, the second time for plugs. So we wired that up tonight, plugged our plasma cutter into it. It hasn't burned the house down or kicked the breaker, so we're doing pretty good there. So now, got my compressor line run to this one, because this one doesn't have a built-in compressor, thank the Lord. And they gave us like 20 feet of nozzle for the gun, okay? But they gave us a really short ground cable. So we tried grounding it through the frame. Well, it doesn't get the best ground because, as most people will know, that truck bodies are held on to the frame by rubber bushings and bolts. So it's not getting very good ground. So what we did, in all my stroke of genius, because this is Sam's plasma cutter, this isn't mine. I gotta keep his stuff nice, and I'll keep my stuff like crap, as is a custom. I took a starter cable off of a BMW that I parted out, and I put an eyelet on this end. Follow me up here, and I put an eyelet. Ooh, I shouldn't have done that. Put an eyelet on this end. So now we have our newfound, like 30-foot freaking ground cable that we're going to have to menagerie onto here so that we get good ground. I can cut some stuff and do some stuff with things, and it'll look pretty, and I can sit here and look at how pretty it is with a hole in the floor for the next 6 months. Just kidding, we're trying to get this stuff done.
Trying to yummy down.
Trying to yummy down. because when I finish this, my wife says I can get more projects. So get this done, and I'm pretty excited about this thing. It's gonna have a 5-speed and big cam and fuel injection, so it'll be cool. With long tube headers, that should sound pretty cheechy.
Mint.
As Sam would say. Thanks, Sam, for that input. Thank you. Even though Sam's a Chevy guy, but we'll forgive him a little bit.
Hey, it's four-wheel drive. That's all that matters.
He has a 72 K10 that has been driven like no miles because he's afraid of driving it. It's a little too much truck for him, you know.
Hey, the old man doesn't let me take it.
Yeah, right. That happens though. Yeah, my old man wouldn't let me take his MG midget for a spin around the block after I smashed the dashboard with a hammer. Can you believe that? We'll let a 3-year-old have a hammer. I don't see why he wouldn't let a 3-year-old drive an MG midget.
Yeah, right?
Makes sense to me. Yeah, I used to have a dad once too. I don't know where he's at.
Probably a strip club getting blow.
I doubt that. Dad's more of a hippie. He just likes pot. So anyways, so that's what we got going on. We decided at this point in time that we had a bad ground because it was going in and out. So I gotta cut this out here a little bit more. Cut up here probably a bit. I hope this is good enough metal to weld to, because that's gonna be the worst part to make, is that. So it's gonna be a lot of smashing and bending sheet metal to try and get this close to right as possible. I have to cut out all up in here because that's gone. So what I'm gonna end up doing is cutting this out. I'll make this sheet here come out. Obviously make this, I'll make all this, and then I'm just gonna butt up a piece of sheet metal here to go down, and then I'll just weld I'll weld that to all the steel I have here. Well, this is gonna be part of my rocker, so I think I'm gonna put the rocker on first after I get all this cut out, because this is all junk up here. Gotta make a piece of metal that comes down here, supports the edge here. As you can see, that freaking broke. But that'll be the body guy's problem. I'm no body guy. I can spray paint real good though.
Do a mean rattle can.
Do a sick, nasty rattle can. Yeah, you let all the heat out. Alright, well, hurry up. Don't close it every time. The thing's already broken. Kids these days. So that's what we got going on. So a lot of this is going to be copying the other side. The other side isn't as bad. That front cab mount's worse than this one, but everything else on that side is more intact than this side. So basically I'm copying everything from over there to try and make this as close to right as possible. Thank God it'll be covered up by carpet, because it might be a little ugly, but we'll deal with that. Hey, Sam. He really just fucked my door up, didn't you? Just leave it alone! Or close it. Oh my god. Did he not just listen to me? Are you fucking deafblind or retarded?
All of the above.
Jeez Lord. No wonder your dad screams at you. Sam, tell the story of the time your dad freaked on you about taking part before you. Hey, that's a good story. Tell that story.
Hey, no.
Hey. You gotta be gentle with it. I don't have the money to get this automatic garage door fixed. Hurry! That should be good. Yep. Here. Plug that in. Plug me in, Sam.
Plug it in.
Where do we find him at? Oh yeah, see this? This is what happens when you don't tighten down your air chuck enough. They come up and they fall off and they whack you in the face.
Good times.
Oh! Sam, you're on fire watch. If the house catches fire, let me know. Where's the fire extinguisher? Right there. We actually have one that's full. Fire watch. Don't burn the house down. So I wouldn't be able to finish the Bronco.
Step 1, don't burn the house down.
Step 1. How does stuff we shoot?
Gonna try that.
I've never seen that.
Heating up some Pizza Hut pizza. It's been in here for 2 days.
Jesus.
Don't mind me.
Let's give this a game. I do have a microwave. Not bad. Hey, if you flip that dustpan upside down, you can cook it on it.
Is it clean?
Probably not.
Not burning yet.
Pizza grease is helping.
I don't feel comfortable touching that ground and getting shocked. I hate getting shocked. I hate it. I hate it, hate it, hate it. You know what sucks? Stink finger. Stink finger? Pig. Oh yeah, that sucks.
Taint finger?
Taint. Taint.
You just popped it.
Oh. I wonder if that's on the same circuit.
Probably is.
Fuck.
Yeah, we didn't test that. Are they supposed to be on the same circuit? I don't think so. I think they're supposed to be separate.
Yep. I saw what this machine is not gonna get fried.
Take back on.
Yep.
Okay.
So whoever wired that up, for some reason, put two 220
Well, that's fucking ingenious, isn't it?
things on the same circuit.
I cranked it up a little louder.
There we go.
This side's a little low, but
Yeah, I can fill that in. That actually isn't bad at all.
That's not bad.
yeah.
That's pretty damn close.
Hell yeah, it is. Sweet.
Boing.
Boink. Boing.
Sam's got a doinger.
Sam has a wicked doinger right now. So I gotta make all. What the fuck am I listening
What is this?
to? Freaking commercials. Oh. No, this is a Japanese song. We don't listen to we listen to Creedence Clearwater Revival to whatever the hell this is. Here on the loop. And 2.6 million people have watched this. This is what's wrong with America.
Yeah.
We need some Skinner. Freebird!